Do you have your ID with you, sir?
I do. I'm not going to ID.
Do you have to identify as a passenger in a vehicle? You don't if you're not a part of the traffic stop. Now, let's say the car was involved in some kind of bank robbery and everyone in the vehicle is a suspect. Guaranteed you're going to have to identify if you get pulled over. But if somebody gets pulled over for let's say a traffic infraction, you know, the same things that cops do but never get in trouble for it, like speeding down the highway without emergency lights, running stop signs, changing lanes with no signal lights, and all the stuff that they ticket you for. If you're just a passenger, you don't have to identify, folks. Now, we all know that many cops are cowards, so they'll try to use this whole Pennsylvania versus Mims and say for officer safety, they want you to get out of the vehicle. You may have to get out of the vehicle if they claim Pennsylvania versus Mims, but you still don't have to identify, folks. Keep that in mind. This video comes to you from Calaveras Community Audit. I'm going to drop the original link in the description and in the pinned comment. Make sure to subscribe and give him the credit that he deserves. Let's get right to the video, folks.
Yes, I'm Officer Banks.
Okay.
California Highway Patrol, ID number 20142.
20142. And which department?
California Highway Patrol.
Okay, but which department around here?
San Andreas.
Okay. I actually work for you guys. Well, I work for the guy who owns the building.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Do you have your ID with you, sir?
I do. I'm not going
please?
to ID. I don't have to. Thank you, though. I appreciate it. Do you have a body cam?
I have a dash cam.
Okay. All right.
I think that's I don't know which one is valid right now. I know it's unsure. That's registration. And that insurance is-
Okay. That's the old registration. 1912, 430, 22. That's 310, 22.
Got some new insurance.
Not to be a bother, but can you give me the code? The penal code, the violation code.
Vehicle code is 27315D for the driver and 27315E for the passenger.
But I'm not. Okay. That shows that the registration and the insurance are up to date.
Perfect. You have your driver's license, sir?
I have an ID.
Thank you. Do you not have a driver's license, sir?
No, I have it suspended. It thinks child support.
Okay.
I can't go to work without a driver's license, so you know I'm kind of catch-22.
I gotcha.
So I have to work.
I get it.
You know.
Yeah.
I'm sitting here. I'm trying to go over to the parts place because we're in the middle of a job right now,
Okay.
and trying to get parts so we can go back and finish the job we're in the middle of.
Okay.
So that's where we're at right now.
Okay. Do you have your ID card with you, sir?
I do, but I'm
Yeah,
not
say that,
going
please.
to give it to you.
Will you please give me your name and date of birth?
I will not.
All right. Just hang tight. Be right back.
Thank you.
I can guarantee you that the driver is going to get a ticket and or maybe even get his car impounded. From my understanding, after watching this video, he has a suspended license. Cops do this kind of stuff all the time, folks. Don't make it seem like they cannot give you a warning because the passenger is not being cooperative. And this is just one of the ways that cops make people fight against the people. I read a comment once that said that cops like to start quiet riots. What do you guys think about that? Last time I was on a cop watch, the cop told the driver that all I do is follow them around all day, hoping to catch them doing something wrong. Next thing you know, the driver hops out of the car, calling me an asshole. In my heart, I believe that the cop started all of that. Yeah, of course he should be fired on the spot, but who's gonna do anything about it? Their superiors allow them to do this kind of stuff, even though it's against their policy. They're supposed to be respectful and courteous to the public. But the truth is, in their hearts, it's them against the people, folks. Why do you think they walk around with the bulletproof vest on, but the people are not walking around town with the bulletproof vest on? Why are the cops so afraid of being in public, but the people can go on about their day without wearing full body armor? They like to claim officer safety, but in reality, it's just a form of cowardice, folks. Are cops cowards? Many of them are. They're always claiming officer safety. Look what happened in Uvalde, Texas. They were afraid to go in and save the kids. They wanted to go home safe, folks, in one piece. Not only did they not go in and save the kids, but they didn't even allow the parents to go in and save their own children. How about that? In reality, not everybody needs a cop to be a hero. I could understand an old lady, 85 years old, living alone, no man in the house. She may need cops if something bad is happening, right? But this is America, folks. For the most part, we the people can take care of ourselves. We the people don't need to be coddled with blue line propaganda. I can go on and on and on, folks. But I'd really like you guys to go over to subscribe to Calavera's Community Audit and let him know that I sent you. I will drop his link in the description and in the pinned comment. Folks, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell as well. We bring you a lot of new First Amendment auditing channels, cop watch channels, and real journalism. With that being said, if you have videos you want us to look at, send it to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. Always record the police, folks. Don't wait. Record police now. We will see you guys on the next video. Peace.